students, the question says the equation of a curve is this quadratic parabolic equation x square minus 4x plus 7, and the equation of the line is y plus 3x equals to 9. The curve and the line intersects at the point A and B. So part 1 of the question says find the midpoint of AB is M. Then we have to show that the coordinates are this. Now, to answer the first part of the question, we first need to find the points of intersection A and B. So we'll equate the y values of both the equations. So x square minus 4x plus 7 is equals to 9 minus 3x. So that's the y value from this equation. So that means we can write x square minus x minus 2 equals to 0. So that's the quadratic equation that we got. So we'll solve it out. So x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 equals to 0. So we can take x common. So that's x minus 2 plus 1 common. So that's x minus 2 equals to 0. So we got x plus 1 into x minus 2 equals to 0. So that means the x coordinates of the point are minus 1 or 2. So that means if I'm naming point A and point B, so I got their x coordinates. So that's one is minus 1 and the other one is 2. Now to get the y coordinate, if I place x as minus 1 into any of these equations, so suppose this my equation is now y equals to 9 minus 3x. So if I place x as minus 1 over here, so I'll get y coordinate as 12. And similarly, if I place x as 2 over here, so I get y coordinate as 3. So I have to find the midpoint of A and B is M. So I'll use the midpoint formula. So I name it as x1, y1. I name it as x2, y2. So if I'm finding the x coordinate for the midpoint, so the formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So that is equals to minus 1 plus 2 divided by 2. So that's equals to half. And the y coordinate formula for the midpoint is y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So that means 12 plus 3 divided by 2. So that's 15 by 2. Also that's equals to 7.5. So this is the x coordinate and y coordinate of the point M. So we can write it as half, comma 7.5. So that's the midpoint between A and B, and that's the answer for this question. Thank you, students.